Hey there, ready to whip up a fabulous chocolate cake? Buckle up, it's going to be a choco ride. First up, gather the troops. Eggs, sugar, flour, cocoa, milk and butter. Yes, that butter hidden behind the pickles. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. It's like sunbathing, but for your cake. Also, it'll save time later. Butter and flour your pan. Don't be shy. It's the spa treatment that keeps your cake from sticking. Time for cake yoga. Sift the flour and cocoa together. It's all about that smooth mixture, baby. Next, beat the butter and sugar like they owe you money. Aim for a light and fluffy cloud. Crack in the eggs, one at a time. Remember, patience is key. Unless you like scrambled cake. Pour in the dry ingredients, alternating with milk. Think of it as a disco dance-off between solids and liquids. Don't overmix, unless you're into chewy cakes. And if you are, we need to talk. Pour the batter into your pan. Give it a little shake to settle any air bubble squatters. Pop that beauty in the oven. Set a timer, unless you want a chocolate brick instead of a cake. Once done, cool it. Not you, the cake. Although, chilling with a cuppa wouldn't hurt. Last step, slather on some frosting. Make it rain cocoa goodness. And voila, you're a bona fide cake boss. Remember, a messy kitchen is a happy kitchen. And if anyone complains, them's the breaks cake police.